Today we're going to talk about GE Aerospace. This is an American stock in the New York Stock Exchange. This is the weekly chart. So, as always, remember this disclaimer that what I'm posting here is based on my review of the stock, and it's not a buy call or sell call or anything else. So, if you intend to trade this stock, make sure you understand the risk involved and that what I mentioned here is just for entertainment purposes only, and it's not considered a financial advice. So let's get on to it. GE Aerospace is a weekly chart. As basic things that we need to do is find out the trend. So the price is above this moving average, which is a good thing, and it is on an uptrend, as you can all see. It's on a nice uptrend. So it's on since it's a weekly chart, it has been going on an uptrend for quite a few weeks now. Let's see the daily chart. Well, the daily chart shows that it's a very strong move upwards. You can see here. Okay. See, it's basically just moving all the way upwards without any major pullbacks. There's slow of momentum here and here, but then there's no significant pullback like this kind. So is a pullback is necessary soon, but then for now, this is a very good example. So if you want to know how to trade this kind of stocks when it's going on an uptrend like this, go to a lower time frame for entry, because you won't be able to find any entries on daily chart since it's going on like this kind of parabolic moves. So weekly chart, I mean the lower time frame. Weekly chart, you can see that it's on an uptrend, which is a good thing, but a little bit uncomfortable with it going upwards like this for a few weeks already. It might have a pullback like this. So if you want to chase a trend, you can still chase a trend considering all the candles are still quite large. Let's see to the shorter term, see if we can find entries. Okay, this is a 30-minute chart. So 30-minute chart shows that there is a lot of pullbacks like this kind. So wait, daily chart first. So in the daily chart, you can see here, you can't find any move downwards, right? So it's very hard to find entry on the daily chart. So you'll go down to the low time frame, either hourly or weekly. So if you are going to hourly, you can enter here during any major pullbacks. All these pullbacks are a good entry point. Most importantly, you know that the trend is going upwards. As you can see here, the trend is on uptrend. So you can also go into a 30-minute or even a 15-minute chart to time your entries. For better entry signals, you can enter here. You can see use some what do you call it, price action. This is double bottom breakout here. So you can enter here and then chase it all the way up here, take profit here. You can do this kind of trade, or you know that the chances of it going continue upwards is higher than going downwards at the moment. So you can just enter on any major pullbacks, this kind, major pullbacks, not this kind of small pullbacks. You try to avoid. So this maybe you can enter here also. This kind of major pullbacks, you can enter and then wait for a rally like this kind, a major rally, or even you can exit using a higher time frame. Like you entered here and then you try to exit maybe after a few move upwards, and then you take your profit. So it's not bad. Let's say you entered here and the price goes all the way up here, and you take your profit. It's quite good. So considering the fact that GE Aerospace has been going on a very strong uptrend here, the weekly chart. even this daily chart, there has been gone up too much in my opinion. It should have some kind of pullback to make it more healthier, maybe to this level. So this will continue going upwards. So it should have a pullback maybe in a week or two. So if you want any big entry point, wait for the pullback, and then like this kind, momentum slows down and you enter, and then see it rebounds. Stop loss down here just in case. So GE Aerospace is a quite good stock in my opinion, but then just this move upwards is a bit tricky. You may want to wait for a pullback before entry. You can see that this is also wait. Let's see how to okay. So yeah, try to put it as close as possible to at least 2 or 3 points, the pivot points. So this is a very nice channel, and now it is touching on the top of this channel. Appears to be breaking out. So expect some kind of move downwards, maybe in a few weeks time. Move downwards back to this level, somewhere around here, where the channel is still heading upwards. So if it goes down here, you can enter when the momentum slows down, accumulate, and then buy all the way up. Or you can go to the lower time frames. Any pullback towards this moving average is a good buy-in. So let's say it goes all the way down here, is around 210, and you accumulate your stocks here, set your stop loss, because this is the previous support area, or even you can set it somewhere around here. Oops, what's this? Okay, so you can, there's a lot of ways to play around with it. So this is another reason why the pullback might really enter somewhere around here. When the pullbacks come here, this is the previous resistance turn support, the moving average support, and also yeah, it should enter back to this moving average area, where we call it the return to the mean. So it should go all the way down to retest this moving average, which also coincides with this resistance area. So if you are planning to enter, do not try to chase this stock that has gone up since April all the way up here. It's gone up quite a lot. So gone up for almost 2 months. So if you want to enter, don't enter here because it's quite run up quite a lot. Make sure there's a pullback, like this kind, pullback, and then there's a slow of momentum, a lot of long wicks near to important support areas. Start buying, and then when there's a sign of blue candles appearing or any signs of movement upwards, just buy in all your position and then wait for it to go back up to test this area. So from here to here, about 210 to 220 areas. So $20 is equivalent to 10%. So this is around 250 plus areas, about 20 sorry, 220 $20 is about 10%. So if you're going up here, there's at least 20% of gain, which is not bad considering your stop loss is somewhere around here. Well, if you're entering here, your stop loss should be somewhere around here, slightly higher than this one, maybe somewhere around here. Yeah. So you're risking about $10 to make $40 or $50. About 40 at least when you retest this high. So GE Aerospace is not bad in my opinion, especially the weekly chart. It shows very nice uptrending move. Just that it has gone up quite a lot. I expect some kind of pullbacks, maybe to these areas, go back to this the channel area until here, and then buy in from around here, which also somewhere around 210 or $200 area. So accumulate and buy here and then wait for it to go back up. So this is a good stock in my opinion because the trend is upwards. Just make sure you time your entry well, when you should enter and when you should exit. Do not hold a stock for too long because although it is an uptrend, you can still buy in here and then it goes all the way down to the mean, which is around $140. So you can imagine it goes down from $255 to $140. Not a lot of people won't be able to sustain this kind of pressure. So yeah, although it is going on an uptrend, be careful of where you are planning to enter. Entry point is very important as well. No doubt about it, because you can make a lot of mistake by entering at the wrong time. So let's say you try to enter here, you see the momentum slows down and everything, and after you enter, it just crashed down all the way down here, back to the mean. So if it goes all the way down to $242, you're gonna have a lot of pain, in fact, which is also coincide with this area, the support area. So yeah, GE Aerospace, try to trade this stock when you have a lot of pullbacks, this kind of pullbacks. Try to trade it this way. Do not try to trade the breakout. I don't like to trade breakout. In fact, I think breakout can be profitable, but then I try not to trade breakout. I prefer to trade a pullback and then accumulate and then wait for it to go back up. In my opinion, this kind of real momentum play like this kind doesn't happens all the time. It can just peters out like this kind. So it's not really a good idea to be holding to a stock that is losing in a losing position. So okay, this is GE Aerospace. I think we'll stop here. So check out my older videos and subscribe. Good night.